comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Together, let's draw our awareness away from the noise of the day, focusing only on the breath of this moment. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air enter your body, as if inhaling the last warmth of sunset at the desert's edge. Slowly exhale, releasing all tiredness and all thoughts completely with this breath. Once more, breathe in deeply and imagine you are seated on the back of a camel in an ancient caravan, your body swaying gently, rhythmically, with its steady pace. Slowly breathe out, feeling that sense of peace and stability from a time long past. Before you lie endless sand dunes, painted a warm gold by the setting sun. The heat of the day is fading, replaced by the cool evening breeze. And on that breeze, a crisp and distant sound reaches you, the sound of camel bells, ding, dang, ding, dang. This sound seems to travel from 1,000 years ago, carrying the stillness and serenity of history. Allow your awareness to completely immerse itself in the sound of the camel bells. Every time a bell chimes, it is as if it washes away a layer of your worries. Ding dang, the anxieties of the day are cleansed. Ding dang, the concerns for the future are released. Ding dang, the tension in your body dissolves along with it. You don't need to go anywhere or do anything. Just sit peacefully, swaying with the camel's gait, with this ancient, rhythmic sound. Now, night has fully descended. You look up and see the clearest, most brilliant, starry sky you have ever witnessed. A magnificent Milky Way, like a river paved with diamonds, stretches across the entire firmament. Every star is like a bright eye, gazing at you with tenderness. In ancient times, travelers relied on these stars for guidance. At this moment, let this starlight guide your own inner direction, back into the deepest state of tranquility and peace. The caravan slowly comes to a halt, preparing to rest in the shelter of the dunes. A warm bonfire is lit, its crackling sound dispelling the last chill of the desert night. You lie down on a soft blanket beside the gentle camels, with the faint, reassuring sound of the bells in your ears. This sound becomes your lullaby. Ding dang, ding dang. It is telling you that all is well, that you can sleep peacefully now. Feel every part of your body become incredibly relaxed in the sound of these bells. From your toes to your ankles, your calves, and your thighs, all sense of fatigue sinks deep into the sand below. Your abdomen and your chest grow warm and calm with your breath. Your shoulders, your arms, all the way to your fingertips are completely at ease. Your neck, your face, all the muscles have softened. A gentle, serene smile may even touch your lips. The entire world now consists only of this gentle starlight, this warm bonfire, and the sound of camel bells that accompanies you into your dreams. Ding dang, ding dang. You are safely and deeply drifting into sleep.